Forge welding and rental. Contact Forge welding and rental. See number everything up on my shirt here. Just contact Forge welding and rental. We're located at Chilani. Anything for your welding needs and anything for your house building. If we don't have it, we get it and make sure say your needs. Alright, so contact Forge Welding and Rental. We're located at Chillan. If you're a Montego Bay and you need any service from Forge Welding and Rental, just call me. Call the manager. Forge Welding and Rental located in Chillan. If you're a Senton, Forge Welding and Rental is the company you should call for all your welding and rental needs. House ply, we do ply, we do farm, we do 2x4, we do jill, we do jackhammer. And we have everything where you need of a build your house. We rent jill, barrow, bucket, shovel. Anything you want, just contact Forge Welding. Forge Welding join with Murray Welding and Rental. Murray Welding and Rental and Manchester is still joining with Forge Welding as well. If you're the Manchester side and you want no welding needs, just contact Forge Welding. Same way. Ply Rental, still contact Forge Welding in Manchester. So we're out here and we do the best to make sure that you get what you want. You need the things then to build a house. If you don't have the money to go to hardware, you can rent it from Forge Welding and Rental. After you finish your house and you want your house a burglar bar that nobody can come in, still link Forge Welding and Rental because we have everything what you need for your house. Forge Welding and Rental is the best. Love on it. See the Forge Welding and Rental. Contact Forge Welding and Rental.